Alhamdulillah, Brother Bobby, this is it.
This is
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. You know, before we do the Shahada, I just want to say, every time, including right now, that I've ever done a Shahada with anybody, I've got goosebumps. You know, it's not about how many you do. It's about each individual, because life has a purpose. And the purpose of life is to first and foremost recognize your Creator and then to worship Him. The day you do your Shahada is the day you come back to your purpose. It's more important than the day you were born. It's more important the day you get married. It's more important the day you... If somebody becomes a billionaire, that money will end in this world. But the guidance that you accept in the Shahada and the life you live from it will benefit you not just in this world, but in the grave and the hereafter. So we're ready for this?
more than ready. That's been a long time coming.
Allahu Akbar. All right. Arabic first or English first?
Let's do the Arabic first.
I like it. Brave.
I'll try.
Ashhadu
Ashhadu
an
an
la
la
ilaha
ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammada
Muhammadan
abduhu
abduhu
wa rasuluhu.
wa rasuluhu.
Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar.
You know, Muslims, as witnesses in front of you, and Allah is your witness, and the Malaika, I bear witness.
I bear witness.
There is none worthy of worship
There is none worthy of worship
except Allah.
except Allah.
And I bear witness
And I bear witness
that Muhammad
that Muhammad
is his servant
is his servant
and his messenger.
and his messenger.
Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar.